Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add music to CapCut. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've opened up CapCut on my desktop device. Now let's try to add some music. If we look over to this snap bar, you will see something of an option called audio. Let's click on it. Now you can see that there are different options here such as music and sound effects. Let's click on music. And there you have it, lots and lots of music. Let's click on any one of them and let's try to add this, The Way I Still Love You, to the timeline. The music is downloading and there you have it, the music has been added to the timeline. If we scroll down further, we will find something like sound effects. Let's click on it and there you have it, lots and lots of sound effects available at your disposal. Let's simply try to add this one to the timeline. Now these are the methods by which you can add audio or music to your CapCut timeline. These are audios already provided by CapCut. Now to add music of your own choice, let's go to Media and click on Import. Now here is an audio file that I'd like to import. Let's click on it and select Open. The same process, let's click and drag. And there you have it guys, that's how you add music to CapCut. Be sure to trim your audio as per your need, fade in, fade out, it's all up to you. Thanks for tuning in, we appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.